All right, on worksheet 1, we're going to be naming and graphing inequalities with one variable. So these are going to be an x equals, or an x is greater than, or an x is less than. The symbols we're going to use are greater than or equal to, equal, less than or equal to. So this one is going to be x. Now later on we're going to be doing x and y, but right now we're just practicing with just x. So this is going to be x is less than some number, and because it's an open circle, it can't be equal to 8. So we're going to use the less than and not the less than or equal to symbol. So x is less than 8. Right? I'm going to do the odd numbers and you're going to do the even numbers. So on this one, x is, again, less than. It's getting smaller. Less than is this symbol here. X is less than or equal to, because it's a filled in dot, it can also be equal to 8. So we use the less than or equal to symbol, 8. So this one, x is going to be greater than, but not equal to, so greater than -10. And on number 7, x is greater than, but because it's filled in, it's also equal to, so it's greater than or equal to -10. All right, I'm going to leave 2 through 8 for you to do. Then go on down to the next part. All right, on these, again, I'm going to do the odds and you're going to do the evens. So on these, it's going to give us the equation. And we're going to have to put it on the graph. So on these, what you do is x is greater than or equal to this number. So because it's equal to, also, we're going to put a filled in dot. So we need to put a filled in dot on this number, -4, and it's greater than. So we go bigger numbers and draw our arrow showing that it goes on forever. So this one, x is bigger than, greater than. So -9, but because it's not also equals to, there's not the equal to sign underneath, we're going to start at -9 with an open dot. And we're going to do greater than. All right? This one is x is greater than or equal to 0. So since it's also equal to, we put a filled in dot. And we do x is greater than. All right, last one I'm going to do for you. Oh, the number is actually wrong on both of these. But anyway, there's two -5s, so this should be 7 and 8, but it's okay. So x is greater than, x is less than or equal to 5. So since it's also equal to, we're going to put a filled in dot on 5, and we're going to go that way. All right, I'll leave the even ones for you to do.